Okay, so with my coin collecting thingy from the last video, ChatGPT wants me to make it so I don't have a script in each coin. Instead, I have a server script, like a single one that runs through like every coin from the folder. So I have to make one single script that runs through each and every coin. Yeah. How do I do that though? I gotta figure it out. So I'm gonna start off by deleting each of these scripts. I'm only gonna leave one, which I'm gonna put in the folder, I think, yeah. Now with this, I'm gonna see local coins, equal script.parent. Oh, this ruins the whole code though. Okay, I'm gonna log in and be back. Okay, so I finished it much faster than I expected. Now, I didn't try it out yet. It's my first time trying it out. So if I did it first try, that would low-key be insane. Only thing I forgot to do is... Wait, did I do the collect sound? I think I did. Okay, let's try it out. Let's see if it works. Okay, so first, I'm already getting an error. Okay, the code works, but I did... Oh, it only worked for one coin, okay. Because I did get an error. So let's see what the error is. Touched is not a valid member of script. Why am I getting this? So, what is coin exactly? Coin is workspace.coins.script. I don't want that though. Oh, I need to put the script somewhere else, I think. That sucks. Wait, no, I don't have to. I can just do like if coin how to do the is a thing like that. Wait, is a, yeah, is a base part, right? I think or just a part. Maybe let's just do a part, and we put an end at the very end. This should work, I think. Now there's also one more problem that I've noticed, is that I can't collect any of the other coins. I can only collect one coin until the timer gets down, like back, like whatever. Like you get what I'm saying, right? Hopefully, yeah. Okay, so next up, I wanna do it so I can actually collect all of these coins in one go. How do I do that though? Let's see. Okay, so what I'm thinking first is, instead of having this right here, maybe I put it inside the script, like inside the touched script, maybe. I don't know if this alone is going to fix it, but let's try it out. And then I have another idea if this doesn't work. Okay, this does in fact work. Oh my days. But there's one problem. I'm getting like multiple coins. Yeah, I'm getting like multiple coins at once. That's not good. Okay, let's fix that. So, where do I want this? Where do I want this so it doesn't like bug out? Okay, I'm not sure why this is happening. What if I put the switch up here though? Maybe, bro, maybe, like, who knows? Who knows? Maybe. Let's try it out. Oh, it looks like it actually works. That's W's, bro. That's actually W's. Big W's. So I got it figured out. I'm gonna send it over to ChatGPT, see what he thinks about it, and then I'll be back with the next task. Let's go. Okay guys, new day on the studio, and I'm not gonna lie, this is probably gonna be a long day. So basically, ChatGPT's next task for me is a very, very long one, so I probably won't do it in a single video. But let's see what ChatGPT told me to do. So essentially, ChatGPT wants me to make an inventory pickup system. So I need to build a system where there are different items in the world, and I have to press in near an item to pick it up, but a proximity prompt isn't allowed. So I'm not sure how I'll do that. This will probably take me days, like multiple videos for this. So the item disappears after I pick it up, and then I have to make it where an inventory UI appears at the bottom of the screen every time and no, English, bro. And every item has a name, an icon, and a description. So yeah, this is probably gonna take a very long while, probably multiple videos, I'm thinking. If I can finish this in a single video, I'm actually the GOAT, but I doubt I'll be able to. Hopefully I will like finish it in a couple videos, or like 3 videos at most. So if today, for example, let's say I do this today, yeah, so these 3 things today, and tomorrow I do like maybe this, and the third day I do this, yeah. So I'm basically like bro, I can't speak English at this hour. I just woke up like 1 hour ago or something. Oh my days, I'm so like mind boggled. I'm so I don't know. Yeah, anyways, I'll try to do this. I'll look in for a bit and see what I can do, basically, pretty much. So I'll start off with just building like an apple here, for example. I'll take this part and let's make it like a 4 by 4 by 4. Yeah. Yeah, this is an apple, right? Yeah, okay, let's make it a bit smaller. 2 by 2 by 2. Okay, this is an apple. Let's just make it anchored. And brick color red. So this is an apple, yeah? Yeah, fair enough, fair enough. So, yeah, I'll go ahead and do the time lapse now. And I'll be back when more progress is made. But before all of that, I have to first get rid of all these coins. Yeah, so, don't wanna like save them or like archive them somewhere somehow. Maybe let's do a folder here in replicated storage and just name it archive or something. Oh, not that one. Oh, okay. Yeah, this one. Let me name it. Can I rename it, bro? Okay, there we go. Archive, and I'm gonna put all of this in here. The scripts as well. Yeah, okay. Nice. Okay, I'll go ahead and get to work now. Okay, so what I just did now is I made like an extra part for the apple. So basically this, I'm somehow gonna make it so this part is going to be the range, right? So I will turn can collide to off, and now I want to make it somehow so whenever I run into this part, like if I'm inside this part, I'm able to pick up the apple. Now I've never done this before, so let's see how this goes. Okay, so this is my first prototype, if I should call it like that. Basically, what I did, yeah, and it's very scuffed. I doubt it's even gonna work, probably not. Basically, whenever someone touches this range part right here, yeah, then technically the player will be able to press E to quote-unquote pick it up, right? Now I'm not too confident that this is gonna work. I know from like previous games of mine that this touched event is not a good way to check if someone is somewhere. I'm not sure, like I forgot what the good way was, but after I figured out, like after I test it out with my code, I'm going to like check what the right way to do this thing is, basically, yeah. Sorry for my horrible English at this hour of the day. I have to get warmed up first, you know. So yeah, let's see how this goes. Any errors? Okay, no errors yet. Let's see what happens when I touch the part. So technically, when I touch this green part, I should get an output here that says player is in range. So let's see. Okay, I'm getting like hella player is in range, and I'm also getting hella player is out of range. So right now I'm out of range when I should be in range. So let me try to get back in range. Why does it say I'm out of range? Hey, should be in range. Okay, that's one thing I have to do with the switch thing, with the debounce thing, yeah. Okay, I wanna get in range to test it if I can at least pick it up. So now I'm in range, I press E, nothing happens. So the E thing doesn't work. Yeah, this is gonna be a tough one. It's gonna be a very, very tough one. I'm gonna have to consult myself with ChatGPT and see how I can improve my code, yeah? Alright. Okay, so this is gonna be much more complicated than I initially thought it would be, because I actually need like remote events and stuff, and also this whole touch thing isn't reliable at all, and also this whole code is straight up booty cheeks. So yeah, I have to like redo everything. And what ChatGPT is telling me to do, right? Let's see. So he's sending me like some kind of architecture, he calls it. Oh my days. So on the client side, he wants to detect the nearest item, detect E, fire remote event, and on the server side, receive request, check player is actually closed, give item, remove item. Bro, I'm so lost with this. I'm actually so lost. Oh my days. Okay, I'm gonna try to log in for a bit and then I'll be back. Alright, and I think I'm done with today's video. I've stayed a whole hour to figure this stuff out. So basically, let me show you what I did, right? So now when I play, whenever I press E, yeah, O, wait, that's actually embarrassing. Hold on, let me fix that. Oh, nah, it's actually embarrassing. What did I do here? Oh yeah, I forgot to change this. Okay, there we go. So now whenever I press E, right, I get the closest item to me, and right now like my max pickup distance is 10. So if I'm like more than 10 stats away from the closest object, I will get this output right here, too far away from apple, right, too far away. But if I actually move all the way to the apple, it says closest object is apple. So now I can basically interact with items without the proximity prompt, you know. If I go to the sword, it will say closest object is sword, and if I go to the gem, closest object is gem, right? If I move away, it will say too far away from gem, but it's still like, it still detects the closest object, which is very, very cool, right? So let me show you my script, my local script. Yeah, so, oh my, this, I feel like this took way longer than it should have. But yeah, man, my local script, right? Whenever I press E, the thingy fires, like I mean, it doesn't fire, but like whenever I press E, this function runs, right? So basically, I take a variable min that's like infinite, and then I also take another one, closest item. I'm sorry, I'm like so excited. Also take the character of the player and its humanoid root part, because I need the position. And then I run through all my items here on the right. I run through each and every one of them. And then I like calculate their distance. And at the end, I'm taking the smallest distance. So, for example, if I'm right next to the apple, it will take the apple, like the distance of the apple. And then I fire the remote event with the the apple in the parentheses, and then it goes all the way to the server script and runs this whole thing right here. Basically, this stuff ChatGPT told me it's good to do it because it like avoids exploiting or something. It checks if it's part of the items folder. So ChatGPT told me to never trust the client, right? So that's why here in the server script, what I'm doing is I'm checking if like the apple or whatever part over here is within the max pickup distance, and if it is, then obviously I print out closest object is, and if it isn't, it prints out too far away from item.name, like the part name, yeah, whatever. Yeah, so this took me like a whole hour. Next video though, we will go over, I will go over, you guys tag along. I'll be going over the module scripts. So ChatGPT wants me to go over module scripts, and we'll probably actually like start doing something with all these parts right here, yeah. But for today, for this whole hour, I'm happy with my progress. I learned, or should I say relearned, but I learned these like remote events like much better than I used to. So I'm grateful for. Bro, I can't speak English. Why am I like so? I'm like tripping over my words. But yeah, what I wanted to say is that I'm grateful for what I've learned today, right? So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, and yeah, hopefully we learn more and more every time. See you guys.